Hello, everybody. This is Mr. Storm, and I'm very quickly going to show you my example for a calculator for the calculator assignment. In this assignment, you have to build a calculator that takes in variables, does some math operations, and spits out the result. Right? Now, this is my example. I created an Ohm's law calculator. Now, this is a very, very basic calculator. Okay, if you do just this, then you'll do fine on the assignment, but you're probably going to want to challenge yourself and do more, right? This calculator only takes in two variables, does one math operation, and spits out the result. You're probably going to want to do something a little more complicated to try to push yourself uh, to, I don't know, stretch your skills just a little bit. Um, so I just wanted to show you an example of kind of what I'm looking for. All right, so Ohm's law is, if you've ever done any electronics principles or electronics maintenance, Ohm's law is a way to calculate the amount of current flowing through an electrical circuit. And what we need to find out how much current we have is the amount of voltage the circuit has, the amount of voltage potential, and we need to figure out how much resistance in ohms is present in the circuit so that we can divide voltage by the resistance, which would determine our overall current, right? So, first thing this Ohm's law calculator needs is the voltage. So I will say this is a, I don't know, 5,000 volt circuit. And let's say I have 80 ohms of resistance in my circuit. Let's see. So the current in the circuit is 62.5 amps, meaning that I have 62.5 amps of power running through this circuit currently. Um, and that's basically it, right? All the math operations are done in the background. Your user doesn't need to see the math that you're doing in order to use this calculator. It works exactly the way it's supposed to. It gives me the result. The user can put in any numbers they want. They can put in, 10,000, 5,000,000, 2, whatever they want to put in. They can get a specific result toward the when the numbers are put in, right? And so that's what I want from this calculator. Whatever it's supposed to be calculating, make sure the math works every time. Now, again, this is a basic version of this assignment. I challenge you to try to do something more complicated than an Ohm's law calculator. Oh, and by the way, because this is my example, you are not allowed to build an Ohm's law calculator. Yours has to be something different. I've given you some examples in the assignment description. You could do a GPA calculator where you pop in all of your grades and it, you know, tells you what your GPA is. You can do something like it could be, oh, you could do something that's like a budget calculator where you put in all of your expenses and the amount of money that you make, and it spits out how much money you have left over. We could do something like that. That would be fun. There's all kinds of cool calculator ideas out there. Pick one, build it, and show it off to your friends and family. Right? All right, I'm going to shut up and let you get started. Thank you for paying attention, and I hope you impress me with this assignment. I'm looking forward to it. All right, bye.